Hello world, Shelly here, and today I would like to do a little video, maybe start a series that I'm calling a Makeup and Chill. I have done a few videos like this in the past where I just have some music, put on some makeup, that's the extent of it, and with everything going on in the world right now, it just feels like something that I would enjoy watching, and maybe you guys would too. I have thought about doing a little chit chat, get ready with me about all of the current events, just to update you on what's going on with me. I've been home for a couple weeks now. JMU has basically switched to online classes for the rest of the spring semester as well as summer, so I am teaching from home for the foreseeable future. And the study abroad program that I typically teach every year over in Ireland has been canceled, as it should be. We are better off if we can social distance now, flatten the curve, all the good stuff. I know you guys have been watching the news. Stay away from people, stay home, wash your hands, all of that. But I decided that I'm just not ready to do that kind of video talking through all of that because this channel is kind of my escape right now. And I know from talking online with some of you guys that you kind of feel the same way about your beauty channel watching right now, that it's nice to have something to just tune out all of that noise. It's important to pay attention to what's going on, but you also need to be able to turn it off and do some self-care. So I'm gonna keep all that chatter off the channel for a little while, and we're gonna make up and chill. So if you would like to see more of these makeup and chill videos, give me a thumbs up down below. That will tell me that I should keep doing them. And without further ado, I'm going to show you how I got this eye look with the Alter Ego Daydream palette and a few other goodies. So let's make up and chill.